ERP failure warning. Why scattered data destroys ERP projects? Data lake vs Dataverse explained. Your company has a data scattered everywhere. Excel sheets, 25 plus different apps, SQL cloud databases, and none of them talk to each other. Sounds familiar? That's the biggest ERP killer most businesses don't see coming. And trust me, if you don't fix this, your ERP won't work the way you expected. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrix Bricks. I have been into this industry for over 15 plus years, helping businesses transform digitally and scale smarter. And in all these years, I have seen one thing derail ERP projects more than anything else: scattered, inconsistent data. I have worked with the companies that had the best ERP tools, the best consultant, even big budgets, but when the data wasn't standardized or centralized, the ERP failed to deliver. So today I will break down why this happens and more importantly how to fix it. The hidden problem: scattered data. On the surface, scattered data doesn't look like a big deal, but here is what actually happens. One team stores customer info in Excel, another in CRM, and another in a Google Sheets. Some files have a first name, last name, others have just full name. One department records age, another records date of birth. Marketing has a campaign images in a drive, finance has invoices in PDFs, operations has a stock info in SQL. It's like moving into a new house and dumping all your belongings into a big storage room. Clothes, utensils, electronics, paperwork, all in random boxes. Technically, everything is there, but when you need something urgently, good luck finding it. That's exactly how ERP feels with scattered data. Everything exists, but nothing is usable without painful efforts. The solution? Standardization. Here is what people miss. Before you centralize data, you need to standardize it. Here is what that means. Defining a common schema, for example, everyone stores date of birth, not age. Agreeing on consistent formats, whether it's phone numbers, addresses, or currency. Using clear, consistent file names so you know exactly what each document is without guessing. When you do this, centralization becomes possible. Without it, your ERP is like stitching together chaos. I will give you a real scenario. A client sales team had a lead tagged as a prospect, marketing used lead, and operations marked the same people as a new contact. ERP couldn't unify them, so reports showed 3 different phone numbers for the same pipeline. After standardization, the ERP worked like magic. Why storage matters? And once your data is standardized, the next challenge is deciding where it should lay. Standardization alone doesn't magically make your ERP work. The data still needs a home. Choosing the right storage platform affects how easily your ERP can access, integrate, and report on this data. The wrong choice can turn weeks of planning into months of cleanup. So before you jump into centralizing everything, let's look at the two main options companies use today. The choice: data lake vs Dataverse. Usually, you will hear two options: data lake and Dataverse. Data lake is like the storage warehouse. You can dump anything like Excel, images, PDFs, JSONs, logs. It's flexible, scalable, future-proof. Perfect if you want to run advanced analytics or AI later. But the trade-off? You will spend a lot of time cleaning and sorting when you need it. Dataverse, on the other hand, is like a neat cupboard with labeled shelves. Customer records go here, invoices there, products in another section. It's structured, ready to use, and integrate seamlessly with Microsoft ERP, CRM, and Power Platform. The catch: you need to plan ahead. It's not great for a raw, messy, unstructured data. So which should you choose? If your business is heavy on varied unstructured data like media files, logs, large-scale analytics, a data lake gives you a flexibility. If you are building on a Microsoft's ecosystem and want immediate ERP-ready data, Dataverse is the better fit. Key takeaway. So here is the formula for ERP success. Step 1. Standardize your data. Step 2. Centralize it. Step 3. Choose the right platform. Lake or Dataverse based on your growth plan. Skip step 1 and no ERP in the world will save. If your ERP project feels stuck because of a scattered data, take a step back. Standardize first, then centralize, and only then decide between data lake or Dataverse. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, hit like, share this with your team, and subscribe for more business insights. I will see you in my next one.